Hello, we are going to see basics in Python. Very first thing in Python that we need to know is the keywords. There are in total 33 keywords in Python 3.3 and the number is increasing forever. This is the list of keywords that you see here. When you go to the Python prompt in your Linux system, Python, okay, here you are in Python prompt. You can import keywords. All the keywords has been imported. No, keyword, not us. The keywords has been imported and you can print it using prevert print in brackets keyword.kwlist. This is it, the whole list of keywords that are available, and I can see that we are using Python 3.9 instead of 3.3 which is listed in the presentation, but still you have fairly, it's a pass is there. Yeah, we have same number of keywords as of now. Okay, true and false are truth and the boolean values, just like in any other language. They are results of boolean comparison. Okay, for example, true is equal to 1, false is equal to 0, true plus false is equal to 2. This value, see, you say true, false is false. Okay, if you do true plus false, it gives you 1, not true. Okay, and you can also do relational comparison, which is the result of the relational comparison is always a true value. Like for example, you check 33 equal to 33, it will give you true. Okay, you do
Excuse
true
me, sir.
and false will give you. Yes, tell me.
Sir, is this true plus false is working as or,
Yeah, that's right.
bitwise or?
Yes, that's right. See, here it is working like and. True and false gives you false, but you do true or false gives you true. These are logical operations. Okay. There is a keyword called none. Okay, none is a special constant in Python that represents the absence of the value or a null value. It is analogous to null, which we use in other programming languages. It is an object. The difference is null in C++ is a macro, whereas none is an object of its own data type, the none type. Usually the object is an object of some type. Object is an object of some class. Okay, but when you talk about none, it is an object of a class called none type, a class in which you have nothing. Okay, we cannot create multiple none objects, but we can assign it to a variable. We can make a variable equal to none. That means a variable will also not going to have any values, like x is equal to none, y is equal to none, isn't it? Like this, you can give a variable that will have no data type and no value. Okay, void functions that do not return anything will return a none. When you make a function like this and the function that is going to return a void value, a void is not known in Python. What is known is none. It will actually return none. None is also returned by functions in which the program flow does not encounter a return statement. If you do not return anything from the function, not even void, then by default it will return none. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Do we need to define the return type in Python?
No. Python is type independent. You don't need any types.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Normally what happens, it was observed that when you put types, then what happens is the data that is assigned with any type becomes of that type for the lifetime of the program from the beginning till the end of the program. So that was never a good idea. Data interpretation should change. In C, you have forced data interpretation changes by applying typecasting. But again, that is a temporary interpretation. So data type should have changed interpretation. Therefore, the data typing in Python is strongly relaxed. Now, the language in which you have relaxed data type are called loosely typed languages, and the languages like C, C++, where you have strict data typing, is called strongly typed languages. Okay.